see no change. Wake up in the morning and I ask myself, is life worth living? Should I blast myself? I'm tired of being poor and even worse than black. I'm undercover, so I'm looking for a purse to snatch. Cops give a damn about a Negro. Pull a trigger, kill a nigga, he's a hero. Get it back to the kids who the hell cares. One less hungry mouth on the welfare. First shit and don't let them deal with brothers. Give them guns, step back, watch them kill each other. It's time to fight back, that's what Huey said. 2 shots in the dark, now Huey's dead.
Y'all know me, still the same OG.